Hi guys, welcome to our channel and thanks for choosing this video. This video is to discuss about real-time interview experience with a big MNC, which is HCL. It is for experienced people and it is very recent interview experience. So I hope it will be useful for someone who is planning to attend interview with HCL. Here we are going to see about how to apply for the interview and about each interview rounds. So please watch this video without skipping. Also, please subscribe to our channel for more videos. Let's start. Let's see how to apply for interview. For this, either you can apply through HCL company website or through some other job searching sites. First, let's see how to apply through direct website. Let's see how we can apply through HCL official website. For that, I am searching in Google as HCL Technologies. Here, hcltech.com. This is the official website of HCL. Let's click that. Once this page is loaded, we can see in the top bar, careers option is there. Through these careers only, we can apply jobs to HCL. So here, under work at HCL, let's click careers in India. This opening one careers page. If we scroll down, we can see the current openings in India. So these are the jobs, job title and which date it is posted, location for this job, experience level required for this job. So everything is there. To apply to these jobs, we need to click My Account. Because first we need to sign in before applying. To sign in, they have given in right side, email address and password we need to give and click sign in. If you don't have account, click don't have an account yet. So registration page is open. In this, give email address which you want to use it for HCL website. So give and give some password for this email address. This is for HCL website. So don't give whatever you have for this email address. And this should be within 8 to 25 characters and at least one special character should be there for this password. Next, it is asking for some security questions. 3 security questions are there. Just select some questions and give answers for that. This security questions will be helpful if you forgot your email ID or password. If you forgot, it will be helpful for recovering that. So remember whatever you are giving here and click continue. Once you click continue, your account will be registered. Then you can sign in. Since I have already done, I am cancelling this. And you can give this email address and password here. Once you are registered, you will get this page. So here you can apply to jobs. So to apply to job, let's click one job and check how we can apply. So if we scroll down, there is apply to job option is there. We can click that to apply. Next option is through Naukri.com. HCL recruiters are very active in Naukri.com. You will find many jobs there. You can apply to the jobs. Also, you can send mails to the recruiters directly. You will find the contact information also there. And if you are not getting through this also, you can try for some other job searching sites also. You find HCL jobs. You can apply there. I hope you understood how to apply for the interview. Now let's see about interview rounds. Once you are shortlisted for interview, HCL will send you mail and in that mail there will be details about the interview and its timings, everything will be there. Also HCL will always conduct scheduled interviews only. So don't worry, they will not call you suddenly and ask for interviews and all. Only thing what you have to do means you have to check your mails frequently. Okay, now let's see about the interview rounds. There will be 3 rounds. Round 1 will be telephonic interview. Round 2 technical telephonic interview and round 3 HR discussion. In round 1, you will be asked questions related to your work experience details. That is, they are just checking whether your profile is matching to job description or not. So, and then you can expect some basic technical questions. So be prepared. Once you are selected in round 1, you will be called for round 2. In that you will be asked mostly fully technical questions only. That is starting from basic till advanced you can expect. Also it will be from your resume only, whatever technologies you have included. Then you can expect some coding questions. Once you are selected in round 2 also, then you will be called for round 3. In round 3 you can expect general HR questions, and once you have cleared everything, then you will be asked for a salary package discussion. It's all about the rounds. Round 1 and round 2 questions I have included as a separate video. It is for Java developer, so in case if you are looking for questions, you can refer to that videos. So once you have cleared all the rounds, you will get call from HR for offer discussion. This means like you are almost selected and they just want to confirm with you about the offer. So this offer will be calculated based on your current package. They may ask you for offer, how much you want, like that they may ask you, so be prepared for that. So if that is working for them, they will give you offer. So once you are selected, they will ask you to upload some documents in their profile. So you have to take all the documents and keep it ready. Okay viewers, we came to end of this video. Hope this was useful for you. Please subscribe and support us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.